Namaste Gurukulians, myself Shashikant, my dear students of Gurukul Nilokhedi and Gurukul Jyoti sir. Hope that you are fit and fine at your home along with your family members. So today I will start chapter number 13 of class 6th Science. Chapter number 13, that is light, shadow and reflection. Light, shadow and reflection. Very simple. If I start, what do you mean by light? As you know, light, if there is a light, we can see very easily. It makes possible to see the things very clearly. Okay, but in terms of science, light is something according to your class, that is class 6th. Light is the property. Light, what do you mean by light? Basically, light, it is a form of energy. It is the form of energy. It is the form of energy which gives us sensation of sight. Light is the form of energy which gives sensation of sight. If there is a light, we can see things very easily, clearly. Okay, if there is a light, we can see things very easily and clearly. So we can define light. It is a form of energy which gives sensation of sight, which enable us to see the things very easily or clearly. Light enables us to see things very easily and clearly. Okay, this is the definition of light. So question is, how light is produced? So we can say we should require a source of light. Source of light means a source, or we can say object. The source, or we can say the object which produces light, is called source of light. For example, a torch, electric bulb, tube light, etc. So question is, from where light produced? The next topic is source of light. The light which is produced by the object is called source of light. For example, torch, electric bulb, tube light, etc. Similarly, there are two types of objects which can produce light, or there are some objects which are not produces any type of light. So on the basis of whether they are producing light or not, there are two types of objects. We have two types of objects. First is luminous object. Second is non-luminous object. Luminous object and non-luminous object. There are two types of object. Some can produce light and some are not. If we have object that produces light, there are many examples I will discuss later. Similarly, non-luminous object, with the example I will discuss now. Luminous object. The objects which gives out light, which gives out light by their own. This type of object is called luminous object. So simple definition of luminous object is the object which can produce light. Okay. For example, sun, star, glowing electric bulb, tube light, fire, fly, insect. These are the examples of luminous object. These are the example of luminous object. Similarly, what are the non-luminous object? Non-luminous object. The object that do not produce any type of light, that do not produce light by their own, are called non-luminous object. The object which do not produces light by their own. This type of object is called non-luminous object. For example, pen, paper, chair, table, fan. There are many examples of non-luminous object because they can't produce they can't produce light. For example, a chair, table, pen, paper, wood, you can say bag, etc. So these are the examples of non-luminous object. These are the examples of non-luminous objects. Okay. So there are some objects which produces light, luminous object, and which cannot produce any type of light is non-luminous object. These are the examples of luminous and non-luminous objects. Similarly, we can define what are the natural luminous objects and what are the artificial luminous objects. Suppose we have luminous objects are classified as types of luminous objects. We have two types of classification of luminous object. First is natural luminous object. Next one, artificial luminous objects. Natural luminous objects and artificial luminous objects. Natural luminous objects means the objects which is found in nature. The luminous objects that are found in nature are the natural luminous objects. It means they are producing light and they are found in nature. The luminous objects are those objects which can produce light by their own, and these type of light are found in nature. That's why we are calling natural luminous objects. For example, sun, and we can say star, a we can say firefly, a firefly, you can say an insect. Or glowing insect, you can say. Similarly, artificial luminous objects, the object which is made by the human, the objects which is produces light but they are made by the human, that is not obtained by the nature. This type of objects is called artificial luminous object. For example, a burning candle, burning candle, a glowing bulb, or we can say a glowing tube light. These are the examples of artificial luminous objects. So till now I have discussed what is light, what are the types of objects that produces light and that are not luminous and non-luminous, what is source of light with some examples, and types of luminous objects: natural luminous objects, artificial luminous objects. Okay, this is all about of today's video. In the next video, this is part 1. In next video I will discuss there are different types of objects that pass light. Some are not, some pass light very in a small amount. There are 3 types of objects, or we can say material available. Okay, and how light propagates. Next will be there is last topic, that is pinhole camera and what is reflection. This is the one of the type of the phenomena of light, we can say. So you have to learn these topics. Okay, thank you.